Hello everybody. If you are a business owner, depending on the structure of your business, whether it's a partnership or a corporation, partnership would be 2 or more people but unincorporated, and a corporation could be 1 or more people but incorporated. You should have in place some sort of an agreement if you have more than yourself as the owner of the business, so that you can make sure the agreement that you have on how things are to be operated, how things should be dealt with if there's disagreements between you, how things should be dealt with if something comes up and there's a disability or a death. Those sorts of things should be in a written agreement. And in a partnership, that agreement is called a partnership agreement. And in a incorporated business, a corporation, it's called a shareholders agreement. So if you fall into one of these categories of operating your business, whether it be a partnership or an incorporated business, a corporation, and there's you and other owners, whether it's just one other owner or a couple different owners, you should make sure that you have partnership agreement for a partnership and a shareholders agreement for the corporation, for the shareholders. It's really, really important. It's going to help solve a lot of problems. A well-written agreement, whether it's the partnership or the shareholder agreement, it's essentially like your corporate or business prenup, if you will. It's hopefully going to save you a lot of headaches, stress, and legal expenses to fight something afterwards. And if you have that partnership agreement or you have that shareholder agreement and it is well written and it is very well enforceable, if a party is being difficult or disputing things after the fact, it can really save you a lot of time, headache, and cost. And it can allow the business to kind of keep operating, which is very important. You don't want to be in a situation where things get stalled partially or fully for the business, which then essentially jeopardizes its value and its profitability and so forth. So if you haven't engaged or got somebody to help you create a properly well-written, well-executed partnership agreement or shareholder agreement, then please take it upon yourself to investigate that and get one put in place or have one reviewed by a solicitor or lawyer or tax advisor, just to make sure everything's the way you want it and hope it to be. Okay, take care.